These are the essential ingredients for steel: iron ore, limestone, and coke, cascading into the blast furnace.
Inside these massive industrial mixers, the raw rubber undergoes a critical chemical transformation as it blends with the carbon black and sulfur. Here at NextGen, every component, from carburetors to electrical systems, is meticulously inspected before final assembly.
Here we see the meticulously organized convergence point, where the freshly painted Ford Model A blocks join the main assembly line.
Guided by human hands, the convergence is flawless. The heart of the machine meets the chassis.
The gleaming brass is aligned with the raw engine block. With precision, the hoses are connected and the clamps secured, completing the installation.
Under its own power, the Model A chassis begins its self-propelled transformation, merging history with the future of manufacturing. Here we see the pre-finish industrial state, as the classic bodies are prepared for their color application.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment on the left rail.
Got it. It should click right into place.
With the wheel in place, the large nut is threaded and tightened using a torque wrench, completing the steering system assembly.
This crank mechanism is the original design.
We have to be extremely careful with the alignment.
We are proud to present the magnificent Model A, a triumph of modern engineering and style, available today.
Golly, look at that finish!
It's a beauty, isn't it? I wonder how she handles.
Wow, this steering wheel feels amazing.
Nice.
Look at this dashboard, honey. It's beautiful. We love it back here. It's so bouncy.
As you can see, the days of the hand crank are over. Just a firm press of this button, and she starts right up. A truly modern innovation.
At its peak, the Rouge complex consumed the raw materials and churned out a finished Model A every minute of the day.
This is the next-gen process in action. Hundreds of Model A vehicles, organized by color.
The new Model A distribution network, a triumph of modern logistics, ensuring every corner of America receives their shipment.
What a lovely afternoon for a drive.
The countryside is beautiful today.